In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of Python on your Windows 11 computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first, I'm going to open a browser. I already opened the browser and this is Microsoft Edge browser. You can use other browser and then we have to access this site, python.org. Once we are there, then we have to click this downloads location. I'm going to click here and very shortly the download page will be opened. Now here there are two ways we can install Python. The first option is through Python install manager and the second option is standard or standalone installer like this. So most of the system you can use both of the installation method, but I prefer this one. Like most of the companies still they are not using this way to install it. They are using the standalone approach, what is called this one. So I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of Python using the standalone installer. If you are trying to install Python by using Python install manager, it will open a couple of command prompts. Over there you just need to answer a couple of questions. Most of the cases the question answer is yes. Now I'm not going to show you this thing. I'm going to show you how to install this standalone version. So I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be opened. Open means it will be downloaded and I see it is already downloaded. Now we can install it. I'm going to click here to access the folder where it is downloaded. And here I see this is the Python who is downloaded. And the version is exactly the same. 3.14.0. Okay, now we can close this window. We don't need it anymore. Now let's see how we can install it. Just double click over there and very shortly it will open the Python installer window. So here it is showing install Python 3.14 or 64-bit. And there are a couple of options are there. Install now and customize installation. And two checkboxes are there. Don't click anything. Click this thing and this thing first. Use admin privilege when installing py.exe. Add python.exe to path. And then click install now. So that you don't have any headache. It will install everything for you. It will bring this type of window. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to press yes. And the rest of the installation will be continued. I'm going to minimize this thing and very shortly we'll see the setup progress is there. There is a progress bar. We need to wait till it finished. And once the installation is successful, then you will get this type of confirmation message. Setup was successful. New to Python and some tutorial link or documentation is there. Now I'm going to click this close button to close this window. And now let's see whether it is installed properly or not. I'm going to open command prompt. We can click cmd and we'll see command prompt is there. Just click over there. Very shortly it will be opened. Now start typing Python and hit enter key and we'll see Python is there. Now we can type the single statement like print and I'm going to type FewSteps and hit return key of our keyboard. And here is showing there is error, right? So what is the error? I mistyped. There is no parenthesis, right? So I'm going to add that parenthesis. I'm just going to show you that it is working properly. That's why I did this mistake intentionally. And then like this. Now if we hit the return key, it will print the thing. That's it. In this way we can download and install the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.14.0.